All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Get 365% back on your initial investment with Drip Network, 1% a day, every single day. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're talking about Dogecoin. Yep, Dogecoin. We're going to go to their website, a price prediction, see what's going on with it, with their price. Will Dogecoin emerge as the top tipping on Twitter? We're real close to getting Dogecoin on Twitter. We're going to check out an article that talks about that. And then also NFT sales were like 338 million last week, and go over the top 5 cryptocurrency NFT actual sales of last week, the top 5 that were sold. So NFTs today, and also talking about Dogecoin. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency or some drip or some nodes or some kind of project helping you make that passive income. All right, buying the coin and shooting to the moon is not a bad idea too. Let's head over to Dogecoin. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, there's a lot of red on this board. Dogecoin is down 14.61% in the last 7 days. Look at Avalanche, 24% right above it. It's being traded, Dogecoin, at 12 cents, down 2% in 24 hours, clicking it. In the last 24 hours, it's around 12.7 cents, down 2.5 cents. Taking a look at the last 24 hours, it's going down, down, down. But in the last 7 days, this is where it was up here at 15 cents, almost 14.9. And now we're under 13. So Dogecoin, let's check out the holders while we're here. Let's look at the 3 months. Do we have any increases or decreases of holders? Now, just by looking at it, it looks the same, but 4.5 million, 4.8 million. So there's actually 300,000 more. Not quite 10%, probably about 8.5% increase. So 8.5% more people own the Dogecoin. Now, checking this article out, this is the big one. Could Dogecoin emerge as the most used crypto for tipping on Twitter? Well, so could this be a tipping thing? The Dogecoin community grew restless and followed the addition of Ethereum ETH on the Twitter tipping jar. Following this, the co-founder of the OG meme coin, Billy Marcus, started a whole new hashtag, Doge Twipping Tip Jar. Along with the community, even formulated a petition pushing Twitter to incorporate Doge. The petition, titled Add Dogecoin Wallet Supporting for Tipped Features on Twitter, began about 6 days ago and has already emerged at over 6,000 signatures. So could Dogecoin be the big tipping feature on Twitter? That's what they're trying to get going on here. Take a look at that. There's the Doge. There's the Twitter. Let's get some tips from the Dogecoin here. The community also believes the Dogecoin would emerge as the most used crypto for tipping if it makes it on Twitter. The petition further goes on to say, the Dogecoin community was well prepared and came with statistics. Billy Marcus also knows that on Twitter said that around 77 million Dogecoins were utilized for tipping on the Reddit in the last 3 months in terms of tipping. The meme coin even surpassed Bitcoin. So here we go, tipping on Reddit. So here's Bitcoin over to the left right here. Take a look. And here's Dogecoin. Bitcoin's got 65,000. Dogecoin 68,000. So more tips on Reddit than Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin overthrow Bitcoin and Ethereum and the Twitter tipping jar? The whole new crypto tipping culture came back in September 21st. Marcus and the Dogecoin community has emphasized why Dogecoin is a superior solution. Several people on the network stated that even Doge to make room for speedier transactions with the low fees would further make tipping more accessible to users. So let's go, Dogecoin. Let's see if you can get on Twitter. Be the tipper. Tipping on Twitter with Dogecoin. All right, so what do you think about that? If that happens, it may become the #1 tipping you tip with Dogecoin. Be kind of cool, huh? All right, let's go ahead and talk about NFTs. 338 million sold in the last 7 days. They're here to stay. What's the top 5 projects that were sold? Let's head on over. NFT sales hit 335 million over the past week. There were the best 5 selling digital collections. So here we go. What's going on with this? NFT sales. NFT sales had a breakthrough year in 2021. Over the past 12 months, the volume hit $22 billion. The NFT market is dominated by a handful of standout leaders due to the popularity and rarity. There were the 5 best-selling digital collections that helped drive the 335 million in NFT sales over the past week. Here they are. At number 5, we got Cool Cats. Here's your Cool Cats. 7 days, they sold about $4.5 million. They actually had 148 transactions, and their highest Cool Cats sold were at around $50,000. It says Cool Cats are a collection of programmable, random generated NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. The first generation consists of 10,000 random assembled cats for over 300,000 total options. Cool cats that have a variety of outfits, faces, and colors. All cool cats. Completely outfit cats are the coolest. All right, number 4. Doodles. Doodles had about 5.4 million in sales. They actually had 144 of them sold last week. The top one sold for 137. Here's your Doodles, number 4. Number 3 is the Sandbox. 7.8 million sold there. 606 actual NFTs sold. About 54,000 was the top here. And here's your Sandbox. Sandbox is a community-driven UGC platform where users own their land and host their creative magic. Number 2, Bored Ape Yacht Club. $36 million sold, 484 of them sold, and the top one was sold for $437,000. There's your Bored Ape, and number 1 comes in at, well, the Bored Ape is a collection of 10,000 Bored Apes, the unique digital collection living on Ethereum blockchain. Your Bored Ape doubles as your Yacht Club membership card and grants access to members only, so you can use it as your membership card too. Number 1 is CryptoPunks. Their 7-day volume was about 37 million. They sold 57 of them. Highest one was sold for $354,000. CryptoPunks, number 1. All right, I don't know if you like the NFTs or don't like the NFTs, but with 335 million in the past week, they're surely not going anywhere. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right. So NFTs, check out those 5 different collections. Cool cats, all kinds of good stuff going on. What do you think of Drip Network? 1% back on your initial investment. The project's been going on since last April. This April will be 1 year. There's people that are just loving the Drip Network. Get 1% back every day. We'll link a video at the end that you can go check out. All right, let's head back over to Dogecoin. Over here at the website, 1 Dogecoin equals 1 Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency. It says choose your wallet. What is Dogecoin? We love this one.
Dogecoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet, from person to person, with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis, in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers, where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right, I always like that one because it's right on their website and stuff like that. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, what's our price prediction? It's at 12 cents. Last May, it got to 69.68 cents, about almost a year ago. I think this coin could get to 14 or 15 cents. That's 14 cents, 14 and a half cents. Again, all our information for educational purposes only. But if it becomes on the tipping of Twitter, it's going to definitely, it could become the most popular tipping token out there. And that's what we were just talking about right here. Could Dogecoin emerge as the most used crypto for tipping on Twitter? If that happens, this is going to be big, everybody. All right, again, thanks for tuning in. Dogecoin, will it become on Twitter for the tipping app? We'll see. NFTs, record sales, top 5 companies, Drip Network. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here if you want to learn about Drip Network. If you need a buddy, I have my link in the bottom. You can use it as my buddy link. All right, everybody, passive income, cryptocurrency, all kinds of good stuff. We'll see you a little bit later on.